Hello everyone, this is Tanya. In this video I want to show you how I will prep nails for one of my family member. These nails are 22 days old. The cuticle is quite dry a little bit because of the season, I guess, and using the hand sanitizer doesn't help. So we will start from nail drill bit. It's a carbide nail drill bit. The speed is about 17 to 20,000 RPM on a nail drill bit machine on a forward regime. So I'm start taking it slowly and without any pressure, the previous gel polish. This is my favorite drill bit so far I did find. I'm not really professional nail technique, so I'm just a self-learner from videos, learning everything. So I'm just trying. It's like kind of hobby for me to do what I'm doing. These nails used to be a nightmare for me because they've been allergic, and what we did find out that my family member, she used to be pregnant, and when we was doing anything with the gel, so it was kind of very allergic on the cuticle area around the nail, so it's been quite itchy, and so yeah, I was really scared. I was thinking I was doing something really wrong, but the allergic time she had after application is about 2 to 3 days, and then it's kind of like disappears. So we will still continue doing it, but it was much more careful with a UV lamp, and when I was taking the sticky layers off, I was much more careful so it does not touch the skin. So it did work very good eventually, but now it's all back to normal. She's not pregnant anymore, and so yeah, we're having fun doing different designs and different applications and shape as well. Here I've shown you that the old gel is being removed, and now is the next step of filing, making shape to the coffin, which is I will to make them a little bit smaller on the free edge. Remove the cuticle, push the cuticle, and clean underneath the cuticle with a nail drill bit. So I've started filing the nails with a 150 grit because I need to lift them up a little bit. These nails are going down a little bit, so yeah, now I'm pushing the cuticle with a wooden pick very gently, separate them from the nail plate, so there is like a pocket area for me to go with a nail drill bit and clean all the dead skin underneath. Whereas a new nail is growing, so I'm going very gently buffing around the cuticle, just so it gives like a rough surface. When I'm prepping nails for any kind of gel application, I'm always filing the nail in one direction, which is side to the side. Now I'm taking the nail drill bit that I cleaning underneath the cuticle and the nail sides, or remove any dead skin. So I'm going very gently in that cuticle pocket. So I don't want to see any blood, of course. The speed's still about 15 to 17,000 RPM on a forward regime. All the time cleaning or brushing the dust away, so I can see that I'm not brushing on the same place, thinking that is still dead skin in there, whereas it could be a dust. There is an area on the finger where it's a very dry skin, very cracked, so I'm using the same drill bit and trying to polish it. Now I'm changing my machine onto the reverse regime and going on the other side of the nail. Remove again all the skin. Yeah, on this side is much easier for me because I'm left-handed, and with the right hand I can pull the cuticle corner and I can see what is left inside there. It's much like open area for me. It's time for scissors. I was thinking that I can do with a nail drill machine cutting the cuticle, but it seems like it's so rubbery cuticle was today, so I decided to go with a left-handed scissors. I just recently purchased. I love them so much. It's really good one. Rest of the skin, again you're going back to my drill bit and polishing what is left around the cuticle and the finger still. At this point the speed on the machine is much more lower. It is about 5 to 7,000 RPM, the forward regime. All 10 nails is been through the first stage of preparation, and now they go into a second stage, which is I will gonna clean the nails, degrease them, clean all the dust underneath the cuticle around the nail sides, the actual nail, and then I will gonna start using the dehydrator, primer and rubber base gel. So I've sprayed the nails with a cleanser and I'm using my little tool which is helping me much deeper and cleaner to clean all underneath the cuticle. It's a very soft brush. Then I'm wiping nails with the pads just to get rid of the rest of the dust. After the dehydrator is inspired, so I'll make sure the nail plate is all nice and dry, and I'm applying the primer. Primer I've got with a sticky layer, so I need to be very careful not to put onto the cuticle or a nail site, so I'm always leaving a gap about 1 mil. I leave primer to dry for about 1 minute without any help, And after that, it is a rubber base application. So if that's for the hard builder gel, I'm always using a little bit of the base, just so it can the build gel can stick to it. So again, it's gap between the cuticle and the nail sides, and try to rub it in to the nail so it will sticks together. So after the curing for 30 seconds in LED lamp, I'm using the build gel. It's from Silka, very good one. So I was trying to do the leveling, but the nail is gone down so bad, and my gel drop was a bit too big, so it went to the sides a little bit, so I had to file it just on that pointy finger. So I'm doing like a slippery surface, and then second part is a bigger blob, and trying to going very close to the cuticle but not too close, still have a 1 mil apart from the skin. When I'm doing leavening, I'm also helping myself with a little brush, so it gives the very thin application around the skin. After I'm happy with leveling, so check the light reflection, and is going to cure for 60 seconds in a LED lamp. All nails is been leveled. It seems everything okay, but then I turn head upside down and I can see the big thick 3H, and from this point I will make an arch clean underneath the nails with another drill bit, which is carbide as well, and I'm completely cutting off the nail so it's not lifting or separating from the gel product, and then turn the hands and doing an arch on the free edge. After I finished with the drilling underneath the nails, make them looking pretty. I'm taking 240 grit nail file and filing the areas where I wasn't happy about, and also correcting the free edge, get rid of the little bits it came out after the drill bit. Hope this video was really helpful for you, maybe helpful for the beginners or for the self-learners, and I will see you in my next video, which is gonna be about design on these nails. If you like the tutorial, please put your thumb up, and I will see you then. Bye bye.